Alright, this one's for my Jeep ZJ people here. Well, really anybody out there just having problems with your headlight switch. So, I have been through about 3 of these so far. And what usually occurs with it is in the on position here, there's a metal plate on this that gets hot. And when you go to turn it off, it causes it to melt in the back side of this. So, it's kind of hard to see, but that pin right there, right in front of my thumb, you can see it's a little blistered. You can see the plastic's a little melted down in there. Well, that sucker right there works when it wants to, so this was my solution, and it works great. So this is my running lights. Obviously, it turns everything on, and that's my headlights, which that turns those on. You can see them there. Okay, and then this button here is the dimmer. You see how out dims them, in brightens them, and this button right here actually works those lights up top. But I actually don't, those aren't going to work because the door is open. But the way that I've got it set is basically this button here for the running lights turns those lights on and everything else in the Jeep, and you hear it dinging, obviously. So all I did, I threw up a little video of just kind of like where things went inside of here, so you don't have to cut your wiring loom and go crazy in there. All I did was I took one of these, okay, just one of these, and you unscrew all of this and pull it out of its housing. That way you have this plug to plug directly into the Jeep. And then from there, you actually just solder a wire from here to there and run a switch on those 2 nodes. And that's your running lights. And then on these 2 switches down here, and that's your headlights. And then you've got 2 switches here, that's your dimmers. And then 2 switches down here, which is your overhead lights. So if that's something that y'all would like to see more in depth of on how I did that panel switch using one of these, let me know, and I will give you more detailed instructions on how to fix your junk. Alright, and as I always say, if it's already fucked up, man, don't be afraid to fuck it up. I do this kind of shit every day. If something's wrong with it, I'm gonna go fix it. It drives me crazy. So y'all have a good one. Don't be afraid to go fuck your shit up.